Hi, this video will show you how to get started with Sallynoggin College Microsoft 365, how to get into your Teams online classes, and how to get into Moodle. To start, you'll need to go to the Sallynoggin College website at www.scfe.ie. Once you're on the Sallynoggin website page, you'll see there's a little blue envelope icon at the top left. If you select that, it will bring you to the login page for Microsoft 365. You will need to use the user ID code that has been provided to you by the Sallynoggin College. It will start with the year 2020 and then it has 4 digits and at scfe.ie. This will be your college email that teachers will contact you regarding coursework and college activities. You select the next button on the bottom right and then you will be brought to the page where you type in your password. Your password will be provided to you by Sallynoggin College. We ask that you keep this in a safe place and do not change it. You will be using your mobile phone and email as your verification. Select the sign in button and then you are brought to the page where you can set up your authentication. You have 2 options. You can use your authentication for your mobile phone and you can use your authentication for email. We recommend that you use your mobile phone as the primary authentication, and if you just select the button here, set it up now, that will bring you to a page where you input the country or region, which is Ireland. And then you will be brought to the next line where you put in your mobile phone number. You have 2 options then where you can ask that the verification is done by text or by a phone call. We recommend that you select the Text Me button as it is preferable to having phones ringing during class time. You then proceed to the next stage where Microsoft will send you a text message with a code and you type that code into the next box that appears on your screen. You then select the Verify button and that is going to have you set up for getting into Microsoft 365. If you are choosing to also use your email as an authentication form, it's very important that you use your own personal email address for this. Do not use your primary college email for this. The same method will be used where you will receive by email a verification code which you input into the box on the screen. Once you've done all that, you'll be brought to the Office 365 homepage, and this is where you will find all the apps that you need and access to all your project work that you are doing. You will have an option at the top right here which says Install Office, and there's a little arrow beside it. This option, if you select this button, you can install Office on your devices that you'll be using outside of the college, so your own personal laptop or tablet, or even onto your mobile phone. And this is a fantastic option as it means that you can work anywhere and or even when you're on the move. You then will see on the left-hand column all the apps that are available to you. You have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, which is your email account, and this is where the app that you will go into if you want to send or receive any emails. It's your college email account. You also have your OneDrive, which is your cloud storage, so all your project work will be kept here, and you can store all your images and documents that you need. You also have an option to use OneNote. Some teachers may use this to create an e-portfolio of work. The next important app that you have here is Teams, and this is your online classroom. So this is where you will be going when you are working from home. You will be brought to a page that invites you to install the Windows app when you select that icon. It is highly recommended that you install the Windows app on your device, as it's a much more effective user profile. You can also use the browser, but this would be the preferred option. Once you install Microsoft Teams, you're brought to this page, and this will look different for everybody. You will see all the classes that you are enrolled on, or teams that you are involved on, appear on this screen. To get into your classes, you can go into the calendar icon here on the left hand side. So this is where you can join your online classes. When you go into that icon, you're brought to a weekly calendar, and there you can see all the classes that you are enrolled in for the week. And you can select the class that you are enrolled in. If there is a class just about to start, you will see a little join button appears about 5 minutes before the class is due to start. You select that button and you will be brought directly into your class. Another method to get into your online classes is through your email. You may receive an email from your teacher inviting you to a class. You can, if you RSVP at the yes option, that invitation will go directly into your calendar and will appear in your calendar. But you will also receive a little notification in your email when the class is about to start, and the join button will appear up here, and you can get in directly through your email. So those are two very quick ways to get into your class at the very beginning of the year. And once you're in your class, your teachers will explore all the options and possibilities that are available to you. There will be options to use your camera, your microphone, to chat, and to see who's in the class. The other resource that will be available to you is Moodle. You will find access to Moodle on the website page for www.scfe.ie. There's a little M icon at the top left. When you select that icon, you're brought to the home page of Moodle. You will go to the login button at the top right hand corner, and that will bring you to a page where you can either type in your username and password, or if you have already logged into 365, you can just simply select the OpenID Connect button. That will bring you directly into your Moodle page, and similar to Teams, you will see all your different subjects that you or courses that you are on, and you can select those options as you need. So we look forward to seeing you during the coming weeks in your online classes and in the college, and we hope this helps. Thank you.